You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. They look fairly similar, but they obviously have a different meaning and a different pronunciation. So let's go through. The top word here is pronounced both British English and American English as refuge. Refuge. So that's the place where you find shelter. Refuge. Stress on the first syllable. The bottom word are the people that are either sheltered somewhere or that are displaced in a different country. And the bottom word is pronounced two different ways in British English. Refugee, with a stress on the last syllable, refugee, or refugee, with a stress on the first syllable. Those two pronunciations exist and are either in the UK, America, United States, American, British English, refugee or refugee. So, top word to summarize, refuge, only one pronunciation here. Bottom word, two different pronunciations, refugee or refugee. Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.